In this video, we will discuss how to do how to check whether you wrote correctly or not in this Word document by using. So what can we do the wrong? First is spelling, or you can use grammar. Right? This can be wrong. No, it's wrong, right? Now let's see. So first example, I wrote that India. Okay. So I suppose to write India is a developed country. Okay, which is correct, right? Now I just wrote nice. Okay. Now see, I just wrote correct this one. Now let's see. It's showing wrong, right? It's showing with the red color, right? So I just selected that part and go to spelling and grammar. Now showing it is showing the different option. Okay. So you can change. Okay. So example, okay, sorry. So I just selected and it's showing different. It's I'm just reviewing the spelling. So it's showing here this is the spelling mistake, right? So it's showing what is the option you should select. Okay, it's showing the spelling. I just selected under review tab. If you see under review tab spelling, I just selected. So it's showing developed. I just change it and country and just change it. So it's saying what option to do. Okay. So the two spelling mistake happen. Now again I'm checking the grammar, right? So this is India. India is a developed country. Okay. So example, you want to this developed it doesn't look good. Example in maybe so you want to change this wording. So go to here. So find different name synonyms. So go to select that one. Select the thesaurus. So it's showing thesaurus but different word for the same word. Right? It's advanced, established, technological advanced, developing. Okay. Or so you can just select that one. It's India is emerging country. Select that one and change it. Okay, so you can make it. You can select on your own what to make it. Okay, so you can change it. So you can select the thesaurus. Correct. So it thesaurus used, right? So you saw what is the other word you can use it. So synonym. Here also you can do synonym. Let's change it. You can change. Right. So again your synonym change it. Correct. So and again you want to see how many words are there. Just select it and go to word count. So it also like pages 1 5, word 5, character, no space. It is showing how many word count are there. Okay. So when you write the big paragraph, no MS Word will help you to do the correction by using the spelling and grammar, and also it will show the thesaurus. Okay, so you can use the thesaurus to do the writing in a better way always. Okay, thank you. See you in my next video.